on this video today is for everybody out there who feels like they're not doing enough. I can totally relate to this as a former professional dancer and gymnast and business owner, and I've been receiving a lot of correspondence of people just telling me, my biggest challenge, Janine, is I feel like I need to keep doing more. But what if we flip the script? What if we actually listened to our bodies when they tell us they're exhausted or when our brains are fried and actually took a break and backed off and gave ourselves some time to recover? So you might be saying, well, I can't do that. I have this project at work that I'm doing and I can't take a break right now. And I totally get that. I mean, what's your goal, right? What's your goal that you're looking at? And at different times, we have different goals. So when I was a competitive gymnast or a professional dancer and you had a performance coming up, there weren't any breaks. If you had a nagging injury, you're just piecing it together and cobbling it together just to get to the end. Or if you have a big project at work and for the next 3 weeks, it's all about deadlines and not sleeping enough and maybe eating crappy, and you're just going to do it because you know that there's an end to it, right? And what do we do at the end of it? We usually book a vacation or give ourselves a couple days off, because then you build in that recovery time. Because it's not an ongoing thing. It's a one-time, it's a temporary thing. Because we all know intellectually that go, 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 drive, drive, drive is not something sustainable over time. So my main message today is to give yourself permission. Give yourself permission to back off, to take a break. And that voice in the back of your head that's telling you, that's bad, taking a break is bad. I know I have that voice in the back of my head. But you know what? It's not bad. It's actually good. It's smart and it's necessary. So go ahead and do that, and you're going to find out that you're able to replenish your energy. You're able to reboost your stores and feel revitalized. And then you can return to all the things that you were doing as a better version of yourself, right? You're clear-headed, you have a calmer mind, you have a calmer body, and you're ready to face whatever you need to face. It's still going to be there, and you just need to give yourself that break so that you can face it better than you did before. So the great thing about yoga is not only is it awesome for building strength and flexibility, it is great for stress relief. So you got lots of resources right here on our YouTube page. And what we're going to do today is we're going to link 4 of the routines on here that are really geared towards recovery, to stress reduction, and we're going to put them in the description. So you can bookmark this one and they're going to be there in the description. You can just link to them right from here. I made sure that they're between 9 and 30 minutes so you can pick the one that's going to work best for your lifestyle on that day. And now you've got no excuses for giving yourself a break that you can fit into your day and feeling better than you have in years. And if you're one of those people that continues to put yourself second or put other people in front of you and always taking care of everybody before yourself, and you're feeling that your energy is depleted and that you maybe could be living a life a little bit more fully, well, I would love to introduce you to something that can help you make you feel better than you have in years. And that's Fit and Flexible for Life, a program that I created. It's a 10-minute-a-day routines. Comes with a program calendar called New You in 30 days. So it's a plan that you just plug those in. They're only 10 minutes a day, so it's easy to fit it in any lifestyle, and you don't need any equipment, and it's easy to follow. So these are things that start to create consistency, and with consistency you have structure, and with structure it helps breed a sense of calm and grounding, so that it builds in your time for you each day. So if you're interested in checking it out, go ahead and go over to fitandflexibleforlife.com. We'll include that link also in the description. And I wish you a good day, and I hope that you do take time and give yourself permission to recover, replenish, and go out there and feel more energized than you have in a long time. See you soon.